Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be covering how to activate and get started with the Raymond James integration within YCharts. To begin, we can head to our integrations page first by hovering over the support dropdown and then selecting integrations. This will bring us to our landing page here where we can see all the different integrations that YCharts has to offer. We'll find Raymond James listed here at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and select Manage and Activate, and that'll open up this pop-up window explaining the steps that need to happen. But simply, each user needs to submit a request to the Raymond James IT admin group. If you're unfamiliar or need help getting pointed in the right direction, feel free to reach out to your YChart support rep. But once that request has been submitted and is approved, we'll be notified, as well as you, that your data has been added to the data feed. Once that data has been added, this integration will automatically be activated for you. And again, you'll get a notification from us letting you know that the integration has been activated. Once that has been activated, you'll also see it reflected here, and you'll know that you are ready to start using it. So to do so, we can head to our Portfolios tool. You'll find this Import Holdings dropdown at the top right of the screen. So I'll select that and select Raymond James. And this will prompt you to start to search and select the accounts that you want to pull in. So I'll go ahead and do that, select the account and import. And this will pull you into our portfolio editor where we can see those holdings that have been imported. I can also further edit this portfolio by changing the rebalance frequency or applying a fee. But once I'm all done, I can go ahead and select Save, which will begin to kick off the calculations for this portfolio. Once that portfolio has finished calculating, I can go ahead and select it to open up its quote page here, where I can start to view some of this data. So I can view performance data here, and asset allocation, top holdings, and more. I can also jump into some of these different tabs for a more in-depth view, or I can also start to include this portfolio in reports and generate a few of them. That'll do it for this video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to your YChart support rep. Thanks.